Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds EDIFIER X5 Pro from Android device. You have to start by open settings. After that, go to connected devices or Bluetooth. And at the device list, you need to click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And right here, I have it on the right side. You may have it at the top, at the just one line, not like right here that I have two buttons here. To disconnect these earbuds, we need to tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So, when you select to disconnect your earbuds, you click at this button, you will stop Bluetooth connection with these headphones, but still you will have it at the device list. And if you select to unpair your earbuds and you click at the forget button, you will totally remove your earbuds from your phone. So if you need this one, you need to select unpair. Now let me click at the disconnect, and if you go back right here, as you can see, I stopped Bluetooth connection with it because it moved to save devices. But still I have it at the device list and I can reconnect these earbuds by just tap on it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!